Sunday morning until further notice. At 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, the stage was 15.0 feet. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow morning and continue rising to 17.9 feet early Thursday afternoon. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Impact at 18.5 feet. Hancock Peanut Mill is affected in Cortland. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 17.9 feet on February 8, 2016. Now the official National Weather Service forecast.
That's a great way to start off the day.